What I wish I knew at the start of my day? That I'd be spending it with the fluffiest, friendliest creature on four legs down at the old farm. Luna isn't just any alpaca. With her cream-colored coat as fluffy as the clouds above, she's the pride of the pasture. Every morning, like clockwork, she's there humming a soft hello to anyone who passes by, waiting to start her day among the dewy greens. Kids just adore her. Maybe it's the way she gently nuzzles their hands, or how her big brown eyes seem to smile right back at you. And twice a year, that luxurious wool is transformed into the coziest sweaters and scarves you've ever worn, each stitch filled with the warmth of Luna's love. Visiting Luna isn't just about watching her graze or feeling her wool. It's about experiencing the heart of the farm, where every creature is family and every day ends with a story worth telling. So, next time you wrap up in that warm alpaca scarf, remember Luna, the gentle soul who helped make it, with every ounce of her fluffy being.